Hello, Mustangs. This is going to be a video tutorial of how to log into Naviance and use Naviance for the purpose of applying to colleges. So to log into your Naviance account, you're first going to go to the Mountain House High website. You're going to click on Counseling and click on Counseling Home. Over here on the right-hand side, you will see college entrance in Naviance. If you scroll down, you will see the student login horseshoe. If you click this link, it's going to take you directly to the Naviance login page, and you can log in with Clever. All students have access to a Naviance account, so this should automatically log you in when you log in with Clever. If you have an issue, please reach out to your counselor and we can determine what's happening with your Naviance account. Also located on this page, you'll see the different resources that we have provided for seniors. The PowerPoint that we gave about the college application process, the video presentation, the 4-year and 2-year tip sheet, the school profile, which you will use when filling out college applications. Also down here, we have helpful guides, link to the student login Naviance instructions, and then some things that help you when applying to 4-year and 2-year college. Once you log into Naviance, your page should look something like this. This will be the home page for your Naviance account, and there's several ways that you can utilize this account. If you are trying to do college research, you can start up here in the colleges section and click on Supermatch College Search under Find Your Fit. This tool will allow you to apply filters based on all the categories you see here at the top in order to find a campus that fits your needs. So you can put in, for example, you're interested in finding schools in California. Maybe you're looking at 4-year colleges only, so you would look at bachelor's degree. Potentially you are looking for an accounting major, but you can put in any major that you're interested in. And then there's several other opportunities to apply additional filters like acceptance rate, student life characteristics, diversity elements, additional institution characteristics. For example, if you're looking for public or private, you can adjust those. Or if you're looking for a specific size campus or on-campus housing. Cost allows you to put in the max cost per year. If you play a sport or are interested in playing a sport, you can add a sport, resources, and groups. For now, I'm going to leave our 2 filters, California, accounting major. There are 45 institutions in California that meet that search. If you scroll down, you will be able to see all the campuses that are located in California that have an accounting major. This is a great starting point for your college research to determine where you're interested in applying. If you apply too many filters, you may not have any schools show up down here. So I recommend starting over and maybe applying less filters to see what comes up. One requirement if you plan on applying to 4-year colleges is adding all schools into the colleges I'm applying to list. If you click up here on colleges, You will find your colleges I'm applying to list located right here under Apply to College. You can use the blue plus add in the right-hand corner to search for schools and add them to your list. These campuses can be very specific in how you title it. So you may be searching for a school and it might not pop up. So sometimes you have to play around with the search. So if I'm trying to find UC Santa Cruz, I would put in Santa Cruz and I can see it pop up right here, University of California, Santa Cruz. If I would have typed UC Santa Cruz, it would not have popped up. So that's why you have to be very specific in how you type the title. So you have to play around with it sometimes to make sure you're finding the right campus. So you would add and request transcript once you have decided which campus. You do see some options here to change the application type. This is going to apply to private and out-of-state schools. So you have the option to apply early. So if you decide to apply early, you would change the decision type here. So remember, you must add all colleges that you plan on applying to that colleges I'm applying to list. If you do not add every campus that you're applying to, your counselor will not send the required documents to that campus, and your application will be considered incomplete. Therefore, you will not earn acceptance. So this is a required part of the application process, is adding all schools that you're applying to the colleges I'm applying to list. If you need to request a letter of recommendation from a teacher or from a counselor, you can first fill out the senior info survey. You're going to find the senior info survey under surveys from your school up here in the About Me section. It will be titled Senior Info Survey for Letter of Rec. There are 14 questions that you must answer. Please provide as much detail as possible because your counselor or your teacher will use this information to write your letter of recommendation. The more information you give us, the more information we're able to include in that letter of recommendation. This is the first step if you need a letter of recommendation. After you have completed your senior info survey, you can request a letter of recommendation from your teacher in person first. So you must get verbal confirmation from your teacher first. Once they say yes, they will write you a letter of recommendation. You're going to add the request into Naviance. To add a letter of recommendation request for your teacher, you will go up to the colleges section, click on letters of recommendation. Well, it's not showing me right now because I'm not using a student account. But if you go up here under Apply to Colleges, under Letters of Recommendation, you will see a plus sign in the right-hand corner that says Add Request. When you click on that, you'll be able to find your teacher's name and then add the schools that you're going to need a letter of recommendation for. And that is how you will add the request. All of these elements are a really important part of your college application process. So please make sure that you are completing them accurately. If you have questions, you can reach out to your counselor directly and we can help you.